YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the heat damage that I gave myself after that last straightening. We're going to talk about why I think it happened, and we're also going to talk about why what I'm going to do to fix it. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to try to do to fix it, and then after that I'm going to show you the end result. What I'm going to try to do is use this olive oil strengthening and nourishing replenishing conditioner. I think everybody is pretty much used to this in the packets, but I just bought a full bottle because I also used it on my daughters. So I'm going to try this to help the curls bounce back because I know it has protein in it. Some people have mentioned it does have protein. So first, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash and condition this. Well, actually, no, I'm just going to wash it. I don't use ORS shampoo. I still use like Tresemme. But I'm going to go ahead and wash it and make sure it's cleansed really good. It's not time for a clarifying wash, but I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to put this in there and let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour, because it said do it for 45 minutes to an hour if you don't have any heat. I don't have a dryer right now, so I'm going to do 45 minutes to an hour under a plastic cap. Then I'm going to see if my curls bounce back a little more. Really quickly before I get started, the reason why I think it happened is maybe I didn't use a good heat protectant. My heat wasn't too high. It wasn't over like 400 or 450, and if you watch the last video you'll see it didn't really come out like a silk press because I don't know how to do that. This was my first time straightening my natural hair. I think that maybe it was the heat protectant, and it's only at my roots. My hair is nice and curly still, and there's no problem. It's mostly the ends and the front right here, because the front was always a different texture than the rest of the hair anyway. I had a few little scraggly, like almost straightened parts with like a slight wave in it, and I cut those off. It was like 3, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So I just want to show you a little more of my hair, and you can see how it almost has almost no curl. Okay guys, so I put the ORS olive oil nourishing conditioner in after washing my hair. I didn't wash and condition, I just washed it till it was really clean. So while I was putting the conditioner in, it did start to curl up some more. Hopefully this helps, even if it's in the long run. You guys don't really know what my hair looked like before I heat damaged it. It's not too bad. It still curls up. It just has some spots where the curl seems a little relaxed than usual. I think I'll be able to repair it, but I'm not quite sure if I'll be able to repair it, but I'm gonna try. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put this shower cap on. I'm gonna sit for 45 minutes to an hour like the instructions say. I don't have any heat right now, so it's gonna stay on a little longer than if I had heat, and I'm gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my shower cap on, and I'm going to let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour like the instructions say. I don't have any, like I mentioned before, I don't even have any heat right now, so I'm just gonna let this sit for a while. So I don't have my dryer right now. So I'm gonna sit in this, I'm gonna rinse it out, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it turns out. If I have any more curl definition, maybe some of it bounces back because the protein bonds, they say the protein bonds get broken. So we'll see. Okay, YouTube, so it did help. The conditioner did help. My hair did snap back a little. It's still not a lot of curl definition right here in this area, but like I said, my roots are pretty good. It's just the ends are kind of frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this go ahead and air dry. It's gonna draw up. I'm gonna put my moisturizer and my conditioner in there, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry or relatively dry. So I think it did kind of help. Here are the final results. Hold on, this light. Let me see. Can you see? It did get tighter. It's starting to curl more, so I think that the protein conditioner, the ORS conditioner, olive oil conditioner is working. It does look a lot better. I wish I could really show you. I didn't define the curls with any gel or anything, so it's kind of like just wash, moisturize, oil. So it's not really defined or anything like that, like me doing any extra defining, but it is working. I guess I would know more because I'm the one who did the heat damage. So but yeah, in the front of my hair it always had a looser curl pattern, so I think that one's gonna take that section of my hair is gonna take a longer time to bounce back. So yeah, I'll try to see if I can take any closer pictures and include it at the end of the video. Well guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel to see what I have to say. I'm going to work on my hair some more and do some regular protein treatments with the ORS after my wash days. Do some deep conditioning and things like that. Just until my hair is back to its usual condition. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.